At AlloyRamps, all of our ramps go through the serration process to create our industry standard slip-resistant flooring. Our ramps are used in a range of industries, from construction to transportation, as well as our aviation, as our passenger boarding ramps go through the same process. It's an automated process that we grease the surface up just to allow the serrator to pull through the flooring. As the automated process will keep, and that way you're keeping your hands and your fingers clear at all times. So you put it in one end and retrieve it from the other. This is all done by a one-man process. The process is very simple, and that's what's great. It makes our finished product that allows maximum safety when the user or weather conditions.